For over 40 years, Kyser Quick-Change Capos have set the standard for trigger-style capos. In fact, more artists choose Kyser than any other brand. Kyser capos are intuitive to use and make transposing quick and easy using just one hand. Musicians at every level appreciate the quality and reliability of Kyser Quick-Change Capos. Each capo goes through a rigorous 14-step process in their East Texas factory, ensuring the highest standards and craftsmanship. They use aircraft-grade aluminum to provide superior durability. Kyser is 100% sourced, manufactured, assembled, and packaged in the United States by Kyser professionals to ensure every capo meets your expectations. Every Kyser Quick-Change Capo is guaranteed for life. If your capo ever breaks or fails, they will repair or replace it, no questions asked. Check the link in the description of this video to find out all the different varieties and colors that you can get for your Kyser Capo. Thanks for listening.